There we go. All the things should be coming up. There it is. I see Twitch is up. Facebook, or I'm sorry, YouTube is up. Check, 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 check. Moderators, let me know. I don't know why it's quiet. Let's go. Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. Let's go. What are we waiting on? Check, check. Check, 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 check. Microphone check up.
Twitch is good.
Thank you. I was like, is this thing on? Still waiting.
YouTube good.
Thank you.
Hey, Coach.
Tell me.
I'm not getting all the same things I get from like when YouTube comes up, all these things that on your phone. I'm not getting those this morning.
The same thing. YouTube moderators, can you see?
Go live.
Oh, you're up on Facebook. Sorry.
Thank you. Moderators, can you go on YouTube and see what exactly we're talking about? That'd be great.
I think he's talking about the chart layout. Is that what?
Oh, yeah. That's, yeah. You will not be able to see anything that you can see on Zoom over on YouTube. Yep. That is correct. Yeah. YouTube, you guys will get a half a chart. Is that what you're seeing with me?
That's what I see on
Yep.
YouTube.
That's what you'll get. Yep. That's exactly what you will see. Correctamundo. There's some things with TikTok that they don't want. They don't want anything to do with stocks, just so you guys know, like at all, because they're afraid of investment advice from these little kids that are streaming, right? So that's why we've blown up my face. It's not that I want to see me. Yay. I don't care about that. We're trying to go through with their guidelines. Just so everybody is aware. We are constantly and forever fighting the machine, because there are so many kids out there or people that don't have a clue at all about stocks, and they're talking to people about them. So we have to deal with the crap. Every time you see a little kid that shows how much money they made in the year and all that stuff, and then all that crap. Yep. Yep. We're dealing with the tick toddlers, the crypto kitties, and the YouTubers, right?
I was wondering about that because there's so many that could be good, but it's like, yeah, it's liability issues probably.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, I get it. I understand. So we just have to try to navigate the waters. It won't matter anyways. Come next month, TikTok will probably go dark anyways. So I'm anticipating a complete and total annihilation of TikTok from September till like April. We'll see what happens. Who knows? So speaking of total annihilation, if you guys are watching us over on TikTok, you will want to get over to YouTube right now. American Dream Trading. I have no idea what's going to happen with TikTok. It's supposedly, right, got transferred over, and the new M is taken over with Cisco and everybody else. And yeah, but come September next month, this could all be gone. I'm anticipating it. That way, if it stays up, great. If not, oh well, I'm already ready for it. Tomorrow, I have a monster. I have a meeting tomorrow with one of the largest marketing teams in the country. So that will be exciting. So we are now going to be everywhere all the freaking time, in your face. So If you are the crypto kitties, the YouTubers, and the Tik toddlers, sorry, we're coming. Here we come. I haven't spent a dime on marketing. I've got earmarked $500,000 to $1 million to roll out, and we are going to blast the airwaves. There will be nothing but American Dream trading all the time, 24/7.
Hallelujah. Do I hear an amen?
Thank you. This is also right why I was moving the diamonds, and I told you guys you better get in it now. Yep, there will be millions now lined up. At least that's the goal, right? Lined up to get into those positions that the lucky 300 were able to get, and you'll be able to go, you guys remember that time when the old man was running that for $5K and now it's $150,000, and you'll be like, yeah, I know. I'll remember.
Do you remember
it
that
too.
time when you could get a discount on that 5,000?
Yeah, just like now you can
Unbelievable.
never, just like now you can never buy a lifetime membership to our premium ever again. Ever again. And I ran it for a little bit for our 3-year anniversary. And I told you buy it now. And those of you that were OGs, the OG premium buyers at $500, $750, then I think later $1,000 or $1,100. And then we took it off the shelves for 2 years. You can never buy that again, ever. So congratulations. And I told you every day, you better buy it now. It's gone forever. You will never get it ever as long as you live. Ever. Congratulations to those of you that paid attention, y'all. You better listen when the old man speaks.
Thank you, Coach.
You're welcome. Speaking of congratulations, yesterday, what a beautiful day. Spy up all day long. All day long. All you had to do was watch for our pre-market. Can anybody tell me right now what our pre-market to the upside was? Our pre-market upside level? Because I can look right now that I can see the pre-market was at 626.30. Does anybody know what our market trading ideas upper level was that told you when to go long? Look at yesterday. Our setup ideas that everybody from premium through gets access to. It'll tell you exactly what the upper level was SPY was.
626.
626. Was that it?
Yes.
Thank you. So who did that? Because it never came back ever. It never even tested VWAP. The rest of the day did its thing, right? Account changer Christina, I heard, made 70% on her total account. Tell me right now.
I did 70%. I mean, yeah, 800. I mean, just about $800. Yep.
That's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. It was wonderful.
It's like unbelievable.
Hey, girl, hey.
Hey, girl, hey.
Hey.
Hey, love that.
Hey.
So who else, right? Because I know we trade SPY a lot in here. Who else got in it? Shed when you were supposed to, using the shedding technique, 6.5 minutes to the bell, right? Shedding technique, 50, 20, 20, 10. Rode it all day until the close of bell. Who did it? Who stayed in it the whole day until close of bell? All day, day. Who did it?
Cue the crickets.
Oh.
I did.
Okay. Doesn't that tell you that we're not following the rules? We're not doing what the coach says. We are not listening at all. Am I right? Okay, good. Well, here's the beauty of it. It's August. It's a brand new month. Write in your journal, I did not follow the strategies that were outlined for me from the coach that I pay So therefore, I will now go pick up the mouse pad from the merchandise store in the link on Discord that says, don't touch the mouse. You are supposed to use the shedding technique. That's a 50, 20, 20, 10. That way you can allow those small trades to become massive runners because we stop out the losers and let the runners run. In this, I'm putting into my journal right now, because if I don't write into this journal, I'm not following all of the rules. And coach says that there will not be success until I follow the rules, because they are all about risk management and the psychology of my own brain to get this shit right, or I'm going to continue to lose money, struggle, and try to figure out why I'm not successful.
All about the strategies.
Hold on.
I can't keep up. Can you repeat
Wait,
that?
hold on a minute. Hold on. Hold on one sec. Remember old school ink pen, right? Dot for the period. I got it. I put the dot on it. Bing. Okay. That's nice. Good job. Who wrote that? Did anybody write that? And you probably wrote all of that verbatim. Am I right?
I couldn't keep up. Can you repeat it?
Yeah, hold on. Let me start over. Here, let me rewind. Okay.
I think that's probably like a demon if you're saying it backwards.
right.
It's gonna
Yeah.
kinda
Yeah,
evil.
You play it backwards, it says the same thing.
That's one of
Johnny
my
is a
favorite
devil.
sound
Yeah,
effects.
Johnny is a devil. Are you guys ready now to pay attention, follow all the freaking rules, and time to take this trading to the next level? Is that what I'm talking about? All right, real quick. Now that we're all on the same page, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mountain Man, Gilly, Diesel, Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Listen at any time if you guys are interested in joining us. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can get started for as little as bing, no money. What did he say? That can't be right. No money, honey. Zero. Zero. It's free to join our Discord. And no, it's not the little kid Discord where like a bunch of discombobulation and no, this is a professional setup, full training services for free to get you started on your journey to quitting that shit ass 9-to-5 job. That's what I'm talking about. Now, real quick, legal, American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us. None of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. While you guys are in the room, make sure you guys are following all of my golden rules. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, stop using real money for a minimum of 30 days. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade and go in with small position sizes, which will allow you to what? Stop out the losers and what?
Let the winners run.
That's right. Let the runners run. Let them go forever. Nobody gives a shit about your win-loss ratio. I don't give a shit. Are you making money or are you not? I don't give a rat's ass. Well, coach, I'm a 78% success rate and I made $4 last week. I don't give a shit. Let the runners run. Nobody gives a shit about your stats, right? That's for the little kiddies. I don't care. There's a reason why we are one of the most successful stock market education companies in the history of America. I want everybody to follow the rules. Now, remember, stock market trading is going to be hard. While you are in this room, you must be paper trading. Do not use real money. I want you all to get the mechanics, start to understand the charts, what we are doing. Do not come in here with money. If anybody tells you you need to have skin in the game, they suck. Oh, you should use real money because then they don't have a clue. That's why they're not successful, and we are. Stop the bullshit. This is the real deal, Holyfield. You ran into. My name is Chad, a.k.a. the coach. I'll be here for the next couple of hours. I do have a doctor's appointment. I'll have to leave early. All right, you guys ready to rock and roll? Here we go. Everybody follow the rules. Thank you. I will be trading a live futures account right in front of your face like I always do. Always and forever. If I'm ever trading a paper account or a prop firm fake paper ass account, I will tell you. I do want to get back into some of those prop firms, by the way. I do like those. So we will get back into it. It's just there was a lot of prop firm drama, and I didn't want us to be anywhere near that shit. All right, here we go. Watching SPY pull back here. See if this is going to continue to have this pull to the downside. Now, remember, we're coming up on support, so please be careful right here. We're watching this 631.38 right there. $631.38. We're looking for a break and hold of that on SPY. See if that's going to hold down there or not, or if it's just going to bounce off that pre-market level. A lot of topsy-turvy in the market. Go ahead.
Amazon popped pre-market high, now reversed.
Thank you. Looks like the Qs also took a dump. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside.
Tesla took a dump as well.
Thank you. Tesla's
Amazon
also to the
now
downside.
has world pre-market high,
Thank you.
going higher.
Apple continuing to crash out. Nice, nice. Apple continuing to flush to the downside. Watching SPY here to see if this is going to respect this 9 and the 21 area.
Amazon now 6-star trade.
To the upside.
To the upside,
Thank
yes,
you. Tesla 6-star trade to the downside. 2-minute EWO, full effect on that. Still looking at SPY here. It's still respecting this level. Still below the 9 and the 21. See if it's still going to continue to flush out below that 631.38. If you guys are looking for that A+ setup, please wait for the break and hold down at that level. I am in a little early. I'd rather you guys waited for the break and hold down there. That'd be great. It's still teetering around this area. Looking for a flush still. I'd like to see this flush. If not, I'll get out of this trade. Q, SPY, everything's starting to bounce just a little bit off that level. I was looking for more of a pullback, but guess what? You got to go with that double bottom bounce, right? The old double bottom bounce. I was just looking for more of a pull here. Market is really skittish today. Could see it in the pre-market. Yesterday, of course, we had that beautiful run to the upside. I assumed everybody was going to open the floodgates and start collecting profits from yesterday. That's what I was looking at. Don't trade your bias. Trade the trades, right? Everybody in the room? Thank you.
That's right.
That's 100%.
Guys, like I said, if this stays up here above this 21, I will get out, but I'm just looking to see if it's going to respect this level. I'm going to put in that hard stop up here. There we go. Still looking for this to flush. Still holding that 21 level. Apple breathed back. It gave SPY a little bit of a bounce. Q's did the same. There it goes. Come on, looking for this flush. There it goes. I need a little bit more, and then I'll protect that trade. Starting to get there. I don't want to close the gap too much. It's still working down there. Come on. Still looking for this to flush, but we'll see. We are also on that 2-minute EWO on that bottom of that band. If you guys look at our 2-minute EWO indicators, yes. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So it's a very dangerous trade. Foolish setup for me. I should be the other way. Yep, there goes the stop. Stopped out. Double bottom bounce, man. You can't argue with that. Them's the rules. Coach tried to get into something silly. Double bottom bounce, right, gang?
Yes, Coach.
Look for the break and hold that 631.20-ish area to the downside, if that's what we're going to move on. Still heavy. I just got in it too early, got myself into a bad position. Either do it off the 21, right, which would be a much better setup. Don't want to be down there on that bottom. Otherwise, this will happen right here, this pop. Still looking at this. Let me look at SPY. SPY's got pre-market low at 631.33. Previous day close 631.17. So that's our possible gap fill if it's going to do that down there. So you can see that's where it was hitting. 631.17 was the previous day.
And it looks like it's respecting the 55 too.
Yep. We'll see right here now. We're on VWAP. Right in the middle of that channel. Apple still 2-minute EWO to the downside. If you guys see any hot stock picks running, we need to know about it. If you guys see any 2-minute EWOs, I want to know about it on the first indicator if possible.
Apple, AMD, and NVIDIA all had that double bottom bounce.
Yep.
Watch that for support.
Yep. Thank you. Then now we're getting movement to the upside here. Just waiting for it to break right here. Right here. 631.74 is what it's looking to try to break. But I've got another wall at 632. So that's what I'm looking for right there. All right. We're getting a little bit of a boost here to the upside. We'll take this little ride up here, see if it's got a little bit more to give. It's trying. So got any more up here? 632 is that level we were looking at. It's trying. Nice. There it is. Getting a nice boost. I like it.
It's at the top of the regression channel in 1 minute.
It's got a little bit more to go. Yep. I'll take 2 off. Nice. Yeah, now it's on the top. I'll take the last 2. That's $500. All that did, though, was made up for my first loss. So it should be break even. All right. Here we go now, sitting on the 200, next resistance level. There we go, just shorted it off that. Take that for 100 off the 200. Watching it, see if it's going to break below VWAP. Otherwise, it's going to be support on the backside. 632 is the level I'm watching for support. Apple still 2-minute EWO to the downside. I'm going to use this as support right here. There it goes. Come on, get up there. Need a little more. Come on. I just want to protect the trade. Need a little more pop. There it goes. Free trade. Move it up a little bit more. Make sure I can lock in it. Well, I was going to say lock in at least $50 on the trade. That I wanted to see a big super Nova spike to pop through that 200. Still looking for this bounce off of VWAP, which is now support. It's fighting between the 200 and VWAP here.
This guy also is first 2-minute EWO green up.
Thank you. Oh, getting a nice pop. Come on, get volume and go. This gets volume, that'll pop through that 200 and rip. And then it's got a huge gap up. We'll review it if it can break. So 632 and 632.30 basically is our channel. Everybody see it there? Just watching for a break and hold above the 200. See if it's got a little bit here. All right, still waiting. 632.30, 632 channel. 9 right there for support. See if it can hold. Not making any trades off of this. Could not hold on 632. Last stop right here. This breaks below that 631.74. I will short it. Otherwise, this is support. And it was. Put my stop in right here. Pull this out. Using my 9 here as support. See if it's going to hold. If it doesn't, I'll short it below 631.74. A little more. There we go. A little more. Come on. Needs a bigger push. Come on. Get up there. A 9 is support. Looking good. I like the way it's staying up there. Adding. Nice. Free trade. Stay up there. Damn it. $75. Not what I wanted. Wanted to stay up there, right? Protect that trade, run forever is the idea. But the way it's flattening out in here, it's not getting it done. It's not getting enough volume to push. So again, if it can't hold here, now I'm looking at 631.74.
We have PMI of 1 minute
Thank you.
and news again and other PMI at 10.
Perfect call out. If I would have been in something, been like, what just happened? I have no idea. Psh. 30 seconds. $15 seconds. By the way, the sale I have going on while we're waiting on these 10 seconds, if you buy a year of VIP, I'm going to give you 3 months of VIP gold. If you buy a year of futures, I'm going to give you 3 months of futures VIP for free. And they'll renew at the regular rates. There we go. Let's see. PMI should have came out now. Watching for data.
The actual is 55.1, previous was 52.9.
Higher or lower? It's all we ever need.
Higher.
Higher. Thank you.
Higher is bad, correct?
For now, yes.
Just remember there's another PMI ISM services at 10. That's the big one.
All right. Thank you. Getting a pop. Wow. All right. Well, market likes it. See if that can hold. Using the 621.30 as support. Also got the 9 right here. If that cannot hold. Initial reaction was market boosted. Nothing happening as of yet.
on the 200 on the 1 minute.
SPY holding above the 200 on the 2 minute.
It is. I'm in it long. See if it can hold. Gap up to 632.78 is what I'm looking for next. If we can get this boost here. If you're trading ES, that's 6374.
That's also previous day high on ES, by the way.
Thank you. Good call out. Yep. See if we can get a nice little pop here. Still waiting. Still nothing. It's a nothing burger so far. I'll use this 200 as support. That's what it's showing us. Still waiting. Looking for a big volume spike. Typically when it does that, right, it has this little bit of a cooling off, and then it'll go. There it goes. Free trade. Come on, get up there and push. Damn it. I hate that because then I have to reset the trade, but $50 every time it does that. Come on, go. Again, looking for a volume spike. They tried it, then it got sold off.
I know you don't use it, but it just got a super charge. Oh, it's gone. Never mind. Never mind.
Thank you. 11
I have a
minutes.
ceiling at 632.90 from the pre-market.
Thank you. Yep. Yeah. And I marked it at 632. Yeah. 78. So, yep. Real close. I'll say 80 just to be even. But, yep. It's right up there. That's my next gap up, 632.80-ish. There's that pullback. Yep, could not get the volume to push. Now, right here is supposed to be support. I'm going to wait and see, just only because that's a blood red candle, long candle. 17 seconds. I want to long this, but I've got 10 seconds on the candle. Needs to stay above the 9. I don't want to get in the way of that momentum to the downside, right? If this holds, I'll long it. There's a new candle. See if it can hold. Nope.
Potential 3 candle reversal to the downside.
Yep,
That's fine.
couldn't hold. I'm watching it. If it pops back up above that 200, I'll get out. Come on. Sitting right on that 632 level again. You guys see it? 632 has to hold. I'm shorting it. Nice. There we go. Nice pull. Nice. Take it right there. It's on VWAP. I'll take 400. Took it right down to VWAP. Do you guys see where I collected those profits?
Okay. To the penny on VWAP
Yep.
on the 2 minute.
Yeah, if I was thinking, I would have longed it there, but quick. But everybody sees why I did that, right? I got that nice, beautiful pull below my 632 level. I hammered that, took it all the way down to VWAP, collected my profits for $400 or $500. Now, just waiting. But like I said, if I would have thought about it and been quick, been by myself, I would have sold it, went right into longs up to the 9, would have sold it, waiting to see if it pulled back, right? Just over and 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 over. Watching again, 632 level. This is all considered VWAP right here, the 632 now. VWAP came up to meet it. Everybody see that? Staying below the 9. It's respecting below the 9 now. Everybody sees this? So we're fighting. We're dancing between the 9 and VWAP. Wait. Be patient. Let it sort itself out. Don't be diddling in the middle, right, gang? Thank you. 7 minutes to shift change. 7 minutes to shift change. Thank you all for being here, by the way. If you guys are watching over on TikTok, do me a favor. Double tap those screens. Thank you for all those gifts. I appreciate you. Thank you. I see all those gifts. Oh, we're getting a reward percentage for this live. Thank you. Thank you for the new followers. Appreciate you. It's amazing. I tweet out every day right over on X. I'm like, hey, I'm going to show you guys, right, how we've made hundreds of millions of dollars. And it's like, oh, really? Hundreds of millions? I'm like, come over and watch how we do it every day. Oh, what do you mean? I'm just going to talk about how much I hate my 9-to-5 job and not show up. Okay, then. Keep showing pictures of your cats and complaining about how much, right, you are struggling in life. And we're right here every day. Live. Full giant community. There's almost 350 people in my Zoom. Everybody here to support each other. What are you doing with your life? Get in here. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Appreciate you. Still waiting. Starting to get a push above the 9 now. Can it break? If it breaks that 32.30, I'm going to go in it.
Tesla new high.
Tesla new high. Thank you. Tesla looks like in a 6-star trade to the upside. Yes. Thank you. Looking at my indicators. Yep, it is.
I'm up 600 on TSLL.
Yes.
Top 750.
Yes.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
Also up on TSSL.
Thank you. Good job. 630, 230. Waiting to see what it's going to do here. Could not break and hold above that level. That's why I did not long it. All right, right here. Look at this pullback. 630, 230. Isn't that what we had marked, everybody in the room? Yeah, it is. It's glorious.
I have 631.90 for a breakdown.
Thank you. Everybody
Hello.
paying attention. 632.30 down to VWAP now. Yes. 632 right here.
Yep.
As much as I want to short this, I have to wait. Be patient. I want to short the hell out of that. Everything in me is fighting it. Everything in me is fighting to click that short button. Wait. Now. Get down there. Damn it. By the time I got it right at 74, but I can't resist that big, huge blood candle. Stay in that pocket. Today's open was 631.80. So it's at today's open right now. Everybody see it? Come on, baby. Go Nunites. You got a nice gap. You got a beautiful gap to fill to the downside. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see it? You do, right? You guys are all with me on that?
Beautiful.
I'm going to take 2 off this just because it's kind of stalling. If that continues to bleed, I'll add again. Yep, that's better. Come on. Come on, you got such a huge gap down there. $631.74, right, gang? Come on, get down there. Huge gap to fill. Come on. Get on up. Get down. Collapse. Where are you going? Wrong way. Hey.
Yeah, you set up. You
I
were
know.
wrong
I know.
verse.
And I was like, no. I was like, no. Just kidding.
Next floor at 631.50. Needs to break that.
Yeah, I don't like the way it's stalled here. But if you look at it, we're in the dead center of that regression channel on our 2-minute EWOs, right, everybody in the room?
Correct.
It's where it tries to decide, are we going back up or are we coming back down? Come on, what are we going to do
Point
here?
of decision.
Yeah, look, the indicators are all crunching together.
Yep.
Starting to.
I vote for up.
Me too.
And I vote for down.
I was going to say,
Me
too,
too.
I've got the first red
Yep.
2-minute EWO down,
Yep.
but it needs to continue down.
Yep.
I got a little strangle going on.
Yep.
So.
I'm just looking to see if it's going to try to tap that 9 and 21 and VWAP, which are all bunched together before it does.
Yeah, I would like to re-enter right when it hits that VWAP
Mm-hmm.
cluster.
Come on. Now, what I will do is I will put in a hard stop to protect myself so I can take it out of my hands.
Shift change 30 seconds and PMI services
Oh,
at 10 as well.
oh, okay. That's going to be a game changer. News is going to override all this stuff, right, gang?
Yes, sir.
10 seconds.
Kind of a channeling coin flip.
Yeah, it really is, right? Now, here's what I'm going to do. Watch, pro tip. I go to a larger time frame because if it bleeds really hard, I won't be able to see it. There it goes. You see what it did?
Came in under 50.1, forecasted 51.5.
Thank you. Did everybody see what I did? And how I did that? And why I did that? Yes?
Yes, coach.
Oh, did I get a hold of that? Right? So if you go to a long time frame, you'll be able to catch a ginormous candle. If you're still on the 1 minute, you can't catch that candle, right? Woo!
Thank you, Coach. Cardiff.
That was $1,500, by the way, I caught.
Fantastic.
Yep. It's beautiful. But you guys all saw that. Go to a large time frame. That way you could. And did you guys notice my whole screen stopped? Like I had.
Yes, nice work.
Yeah, my whole screen just went like it couldn't keep up. But I saw on my spy that it was out of here. So I still moved it because I knew it was gone. Look at that candle. I took advantage of it. That's nice.
And it was a perfect entry right back at the cluster VWAP.
Yeah, right. And it's exactly at our
Perfect.
631.17, which is exactly right. Opening. Close of previous day.
Thank you, Coach. I made 700 on my combine.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yes. All right. Good job. All right. Let's see if this thing's going to toilet flush. Has it got more? It's trying. Oh, it's a bleeder. Come on, keep going. You are a great one to have a trailing stop
Watch
with.
out there. Yeah, it's a bounce.
Let's see. Let's go 8. Trailing stop is in effect. Oh, stopped out. It's all right. That was $100. Not bad. So all the weird roundabout, I'm up 1.25 thousand this morning.
Second 2-minute EWO on Apple.
Thank you. Second 2-minute EWO Apple. By the way, just so you guys know, if Spy could have broken held down there, that was going to be a nice pull. Because you went from green to red, right? So I am still watching this to short the hell out of it. Going small, get a little dabble, do ya? We want it to stay. I was going to say we want it to stay below the 631.17, yes? That's the move.
Yep.
My gosh, it's right on the cusp. This is either going to knife drop into the next eternity, or we're going to get a huge spike in volume and the buyers will come in and try to push this back up. My vote is to the downside, but
So you're saying hell has a basement?
it does. And we're going to go through it in a minute.
But I want upside glorious.
No, you don't.
No, you got a beautiful wick pushing down on the 2-minute.
Yeah, and everything's been bleeding downside, so just be cool. When in doubt, straddle it out, right? We get a little bit more volume in here to the downside, I'll add. The way that SPY is sitting low. Oh, I love that. You guys see how it's sitting down there in the basement? That's exactly what you want to see. There it goes, flushing. Yes. I'll take 2 off. Oh, that gave me a weird position.
Still strong. Still strong.
Yeah, it's just it gave me a jacked position.
There we go.
Who's making money on that on SPY?
I am. We're in our third 2-minute EWO to the downside now. That line was just perfect.
I'm now up 1.5 thousand this morning. 1,500. Stalled out. That's why I sold those last positions. So right here, it's showing me support is right here. So I've got to watch the spot. Like I said, if you guys can stay below 631.17, you hammer that into all holy hell, right?
Burn, baby, burn.
Yep. Go, baby. Go, go, go. Nice. I'll take it for another 250. Up 1.7 thousand. $1 million. Who's making money? Talk to me, Goose.
Oh, yeah.
Good job. Good,
I am.
Good job.
Coach, that's literally my nickname, and I'm making money.
Nice.
Let's go.
Nice. You guys are going to need a cigarette after this, even if you don't smoke.
I'm trying not to take bites of the cookie.
Oh, I know. It's hard, right? I'm out. Just waiting to see if this will push back up. Tap that 9. I'll short it again off 631.20. I will go in smaller though. Get a little sample, a little appetizer size. Apple 4th 2-minute EWO upside. You guys got to write it down, and now you're writing it up. Oh, nice. Wellness Wave says $2,800 gain over here on TikTok. Thanks, Coach. You're very welcome. Nice job. Boom. Do you give signal on your Discord like when you get in and out of a trade? No, hell no. If anybody's doing that, they're full of shit. They suck. Walk away. If you see anything on any Discord ever that says signal, buy and sell signals, they're absolutely trash garbage. They don't know what they're doing. Get the hell away from it. You understand me? That shit will wreck your life. If they say bots, buy, sell, signal, Telegram, WhatsApp, these are all buzzwords for I'm a little kid, I don't know shit, and I'm going to take your money. Got it? Okay, good. You want to know why they do that? Because they don't understand the market, and they're just going to take your money. Anybody can go, if it goes here and here, do it. Stop. They're not going to train and educate you like holding your hand and training and educating and asking questions in real time and doing it and all the things. They suck, and you need to stop watching them. 9 pulling back. Beautiful. Respecting the 9. I love it. You guys see that? Respecting the 9 downside here?
Yes, Coach, I see it.
Yep. Let's see if we can hold off this.
I have the floor at 630.25.
Yep. It hit 630.29 last time. So let's see what it wants to do. I'm going to do the same thing here. But since I went in so small, I'm going to make this one looser at 12. There we go. So I went in small position size. with a trailing stop, which is nice that they allow us to do this now with futures. So it's a very tiny risk, right? 12 ticks, probably about 150 bucks ish is my total risk, which is 10% of what I've made today. You see how I'm working that out? Nice job. One of our members is up 51,410 and 30 cents. By the way, that member, whose name shall not be mentioned, has turned $700 into over $8 million in the last 8 months. 700 to $8 million. He has been training and trading with us for almost 3 years, though. So it's not like an overnight, well, it'd be about a little over 2 years at that point, right? So he had worked with me already for 2 years before doing that. Mr. Baber, what are you asking moderators? He says, whatever, I've asked 5 times, time to move on. I'm sorry, we apparently missed you over on TikTok. Mr. Baber, let me see what you got. If I had an idea what I would be signing up for, I would. We talked about that. I try not to pitch you 24/7, right? So it's the camp of people will cry if I tell you what I can do, and then they'll cry if I don't. I can't win. So if you want, go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You can get signed up right now. We have different memberships, premium memberships. You will get live access to our Discord. There's 330 people right now. You will have training with our premium membership starting at $125 a month. You will get training from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. We have the most training of any stock market education company in the world. $125 a month. We are the largest and fastest stock market education company the world has ever seen. Come over here. We will help you out. We give you pre-market setups. We give you trading ideas before the market opens. We give you all the hot stock picks, right, that we're looking at before the bell opens. You will get to trade and train with us every day, 8:45 to 4 o'clock. If you're a VIP or above member, you get to work with us every day from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. 12 hours a day. Plus, we have Saturday training, VIP breakout rooms, mentorship, and workshop classes. The mentorship, by the way, if you want to work with me and our other mentors, because I do rotate those out, so don't be crying if I'm not in there, right? I will rotate us through there. It's not like I'm just putting randos in there. I've put people in there that have made over $100 million that train you. I've put people in that room in my place that have over 30 years of actual finance experience. So when I'm not in there, you have the best the world has ever seen. So don't be crying about it like a little baby, or I'll kick your ass. Thank you. Appreciate you. So every day, sign up for one of our memberships. Premium, then it goes up to VIP. And it goes up to VIP Gold, where you guys can get access to things like the live Apple chat. David is over there right now. There's a whole channel dedicated to just trading Apple with our 2-minute EWO strategy. The whole channel. That's all they're doing this morning. All right. I see you making money, but how much are you going in with? I have not gone in with more than $4,000. I'm up 1.5 thousand, 1,500, and I've not used more than $4,000 today.
NVIDIA about to break double bottom.
Thank you. Spy still down here on the bottom. I love this group. Thank you, man. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. Nice, nice. Thank you all. Appreciate you. Now listen, normally I play my little commercial of what we do, and every time I do, TikTok flags and says, that's unoriginal work. It's my work, TikTok. Stop your stupid shit. It's my original work that I'm playing. Knock it off. Thank you. All right, right here, looking for a poll again. You can see support. By the way, you guys all knew right below that 631.17. Told you had a nice, beautiful gap to fill. Right? We're riding down here. Support is now 630.30. Everybody see it? That is support. Watching to see what it does. So yes, if you guys are interested, come on over. It's free. If you get to our Discord, you must verify your account or you will be removed after 24 hours. We don't do fake bot accounts. We don't just have you sitting there. You need to be actively involved in the community. Actively involved in the community. Appreciate you. By the way, in the last 3 years, August 1st was 3 years of me being live every single day. We have made over 14 millionaires. And last count around I want to say 300, 400 million in profits, unverified. Just what we've been seeing with our members and moderators of the money that they're making. Unverified though. So I want to see brokerage statements. Nobody gives a shit about any of that dumb ass shit. If you're here every day, you will see it. And the way that they're doing it, and the transition from them right small to large, and the whole life of them doing it, right? Their whole lives are inside of this room. You will have seen it every single day.
It's so true.
Every day,
That's so
coach.
fun.
Every day.
And it's not like, oh, they're one person from the group has made $100 million. Wrong. We have so many people in this room that are making so much money and make your head spin. Here's a fun fact that you guys might appreciate. I have now created some of the wealthiest people on the face of the planet. Put that on your fucking bowling bag. Excuse my language, hide the kids. You guys do realize that, right? I have created some of the wealthiest people on planet Earth now. You realize that, yes? Is that crazy to say that or what?
That's awesome, coach.
What you're doing it.
I love it. I absolutely love it.
It's true, though. I've
It
seen
is.
it.
Thank you
I've
for
seen
doing
it firsthand.
It's pretty
It's
awesome.
amazing.
I like it. I like it a lot. All right, still looking here, Spy. Below that 630.30. And we are green to red. We are green to red here. Come on. See if you got more. This looks like a nice flush point. Yes. Stalling out. Come on, get down there.
I'm ready to break in that double bottom.
To the downside. Okay, thank you. Oh, this is just sitting here. Come on, flush out. You got more. You got a lot more room. Bye-bye.
Tesla, EWO red.
Thank you. Come on. Just stalling in this spot. Get out of my life. Come on, go. Flush. All right, 629. So basically 630 over there is where it's stalling out. Still sitting here. Still waiting.
Hey, Coach, what would you look for a reversal here?
Not a reversal, but it would have to be a strong push up to that 21. Yeah, I don't. There's nothing in my head that says anything about a reversal.
Okay, that's my struggle is like
Not at
because
all.
I'll miss the bounce and I'm like, shoot, what are the signs that you kind of look for that?
No, I never look for a momentum change unless, right? If you're you got to be thinking VWAP 21. Like, where are we? I never look for that.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Remember, you'll start to see a boot, right? I talk about a boot every day.
Plus, you can see the separation between the 9 and the 21 is stronger.
Yeah, it's
There's
massive.
nothing that's saying it's a reversal.
Yeah, it's so massive.
At this point.
You want to get on the tip of the boot.
Das Boot.
Das Boot. It is right down there on the bottom of this. I'll take it. 200. Only because it's stalling. So right here, you guys get this pull below 629.90, lights out. Got it? See it? It's right there. It's showing you support, yes? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You're all still in it because you got in it up there at 631.17, right? You geniuses. Okay, good. By the way, everybody in the room, you should be making a ton of money, yes?
Yeah, buddy.
Thank you.
On the upside.
Thank you.
52%.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Come on, let the world know. You're in here. You're alive.
5% total count on one.
Yes. Oh, I love it. Ooh, this is a great candle right here to the downside. Son of a. I said it, but I didn't get in it in time. I'll tell you guys why in a minute.
Up 1%.
Good job.
Up 3%.
Good job.
Up 23% on paper trade.
Good job. I'm going to tell you guys why in a minute. I loved that candle. If it would have just, if it would have just been
bottom. Sorry, Coach.
If it would have just been me trading it, I would have been able to hammer it. But I was saying it to get you there while I was trying to do it. It got me in late as shit. There it goes. Come on. You got more. Oh, yeah. That is, oh my God. Who is making just money hand over fist? Come on.
Great
Open your
pull,
mic.
Coach.
You should be rich as shit.
Yeah.
Coach,
Huge
I
pull.
made 18% on Nvidia leaps yesterday, and today I'm at 4% on Apple leaps calls to the
Nice job.
Not quite rich as shit, but I'm learning how to build my account, small account, gradually. Thanks, Coach.
Nice job. Let me show you guys why I loved that candle and why I was a little late to the party and why I only made 100 when I should have made $600. This candle, it was a short candle. It never got back up here. and it started to get pushed. And this is when I tried to attack, wound up down here when I yelled it out, like, there's a short candle. This is where I would like it.
Coach, do you always do that on a 5-minute chart?
Nope. Look at it, still bleeding, gang. Oh my gosh, who's still in this? I swear to God,
I am.
you guys are not in this thing. I'm fucking out of here. That's it. Get in there. What are you waiting for?
22% total account.
Thank you. Not financial tax or investment advice.
That's one of our moderators.
Thank you. I'm like, what are you waiting on? Christmas? Coach, Coach, but I know you told us as soon as it broke VWAP up here, so do you think what? Come on. 631.17 was our end all be all to be downside, right? 631.17. Yes. Good job. Where can I learn the basics?
1 hour support on SPY, Coach.
Thank you. Tony says, where can I learn the basics? AmericanDreamTrading.com over on Twitch. Sign up for the free Discord. It says Discord free. Discord free. Get over there. Move now. Oh my gosh. Are you guys, do you just love your 9-to-5 jobs? Do you really want to stare at a little kid in the basement talking about stocks and drawing a bunch of lines in the sand and doing nothing again? Or do you want to start training? Get over there. Bye. What are you waiting for? If you have a problem validating in the stock lounge, say, I need help. Yes, this is in real time. You are delayed, though, if you're watching on TikTok. Everybody in this room is getting rich as shit right now while you are still staring, blinking like, well, what do what do you, and then, but
he said to get in over here.
What are you guys doing right now? You guys should be jumping up and down, getting your American Dream Trading tattoos, sharing your experiences, running around in the streets with American Dream Trading merchandise, telling the world you're rich as shit in knowledge and information, because some of you are not rich yet, and I get it. You like the way I snuck that in there, legal? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Do it. Do it now.
You know, Ted said something a while back, like, why can't it be me? Well, why can't it?
That's right. Every one of you. This is respecting the 9 the whole way. This is literally, and I don't want to say easy, this is the easiest setup fucking ever. And if you guys are still sitting here like, well, I don't know. There's nothing nobody in this planet's going to be able to do for you. Nothing. No one is coming to save you. This is the easiest trade in the business, following the 9 the whole way. Bye, lights out. I told you exactly when, where, how, what, and all you had to do was execute. But Coach, I
guarantee there's people in here that done that what I did forever, and they have a cash account, and they already blew their wad before this.
Right.
Now they can't. They got to sit back and watch and train and everything. Like, God damn it.
Oh, I guarantee you're still sitting here. They will still be sitting here right now. I said what did I say? I said if it drops below 631.17, it's got a huge gap to fill. Did I or did I not say that? I said it's going to pull. It's going to go none nights. Yes? And
Yes, Coach, you did.
And you will all still be sitting there, but I'm coming to your house. I'm monster trucking over that bitch, and you better have steaks. And I'm going to make you watch me eat it on your front lawn, on your own grill, with your own cold beer. That's it.
Apple just broke its resistance finally to the upside.
Thank you. And those of you that are in an Apple 2-minute EWO, you guys are on your what? 16th 2-minute EWO? Merry Christmas. If only we followed the rules around here, I'd be rich as shit. What are you waiting for? Huh? It's like the heavens have opened and wants to pour tons of cash over you, right? It's like Salt Bay, but cash right on your little heads. Look at that. It's cash. Look at that. Look at that. That's the Salt Bay of cash right on your heads. Right there. You see it? Huh? Sprinkle, sprinkle. Cash, cash. Right? Get it. Get it. Oh, what do we got here? Another level of resistance. Nice. The resistance. Did you guys notice that tried to break through the 9 and the 21? It held at the 21. Did you guys catch that? Okay, good.
Sure.
Good, good. As long as that holds at 21. As long as it holds at 21, bye-bye, right? Isn't the 21 the backbone? Don't I see it every day? Don't I see it every day? See it. See it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista, baby. But, Coach, it's a reversal. It's going to the upside. I see green candles. That's not what you were trained on. I don't want to hear it. Boom. There's another 200. You understand what I'm telling you? Huh? Look at this. Come on. That's $2,000 today, by the way. $2,000, right? Using 4,000, that's $2,000. Apple, 2-minute EWO riders. How are we doing over there? You guys are rich as shit, yes? Tell me.
Move on from Apple.
Tell me.
Can we move on from Apple?
Tell me. Come on. Apple, where are you? You guys should be so disgustingly rich.
I was posting all my memes in the Apple chat.
Thank you. He's putting all his stickers and his drums. I love it.
But I guarantee you, I'm still gonna get questions tonight.
Oh,
why'd you get in on that trade? And then I already posted a timestamped picture of when I got in, but they're still wondering why I got in.
Because he follows the rules. You can't get any more plain than that. Am I right, David?
Yes, sir. And this one was kind of rough because we got in on the 2-minute.
Yep.
We had a big push up, but that retracement, it actually took me like 1 point something, maybe 2% negative on runners because I had already shaved because we had a big push.
Yep.
And then, so now I still have runners and they're at 16%.
That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, once you guys got to push back through that 203, 13, 20-ish range, you're good to go. We're above VWAP and buy. Good job. How much you locked in so far, David, today?
About 2,400, I think.
Shit.
And 2 trades.
Shit.
One to the downside, one to the upside.
Love it. He shows you that every single day, by the way, the live Apple chat, every single day, just like you guys see me live trading it, he posted in that channel what he gets in, how much, when he sheds, when he buys in, what it looks like. He posts his P&L every single day. It's all there. By the way, we've got something amazing. We've never done this before. If you guys want to get a mentorship with David, that's a full year. 2 sessions a month, an hour-and-a-half session each. I've cut it off for 50% right now, and right now only $5K for the whole year to work with David, who's now up. You got to be closing in on $800,000 by now, aren't you, David? You got to be getting closer.
I'll give you, let me see. I know I have it updated from Friday. So it was As of Friday, it was 767.
$767,000 doing exactly what we're talking about right now. If you guys want to get in on that mentorship, and listen, there's only a couple of seats available just because it's time consuming. So we can't just open it up for everybody. If you are interested and you want to get in that, get it now. It's first come, first served. And guess what? When his year is booked, there's no more time, right? I've got X amount of seats that I can fill his time up with. And when it's full, it's gone. It's over. You will never, ever have that opportunity again. So again, if you are interested and you are serious about what we're doing in here, get it now. Open a ticket now. Right now. Don't sit there, oh, I really wish I would have. Stop that dumb ass shit. Oh, I really would have. No, nobody's coming to save you. You got to save yourself. Now is your chance. Get in there, do the things. Love your faces. Appreciate you. Apple, 2-minute EWO, still to the upside. Still staying above previous resistance, 204.30. SPY continuing to make lower lows. How are we doing, everybody, with SPY?
Yeah, one runner, 38%.
Awesome.
108%.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Yes. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. Good job. Look at this, just continuing to bleed out. Who's in there?
Yes, coach.
Oh my gosh. And you guys got in at 631.17. Oh my gosh. Oh. If this was Palm, he'd probably be at 5 million right now.
Palm would have feds knocking on his door.
Oh yeah,
That's how greedy he'd be.
And I'm serious, by the way. He would millions. It would literally be millions. Millions today.
Palm caused it to go down. It was actually good data.
Yeah, right. Yeah. He probably bought 10,000 SPX puts and everybody's like, "Oh, somebody knows something, right? We got a whale in here."
Blue Horseshoe loves Andy
Yeah, he's like, "Oh my gosh." That's
Nobody
awesome.
wants to play with me.
Right? That's awesome. Hey, how about the fact that you guys actually get to get trained by these people that are doing all this now? Right? So the way this works, if you guys are watching, by the way, is I take basically regular Joes and Janes, I turn them into multi-millionaires, and then they train all of you. Is that a winning strategy, gang, or what? Huh?
Hey, shit, it's awesome.
Think about it. When do you get to rub elbows with people that are making 20, 30, 40, $100 million plus per year? When do you get to do that? I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. I am still waiting. And they did it all side by side, right? Holding hands, locked in right with you, right? Right with you. The whole time. Who's still in the SPY poll, by the way? I've forced your hands to sit in it. I've yelled at you. I've screamed at you.
I am.
I've made some of you cry into a fetal position with your thumbs in your mouths. Mama, mama. But you're getting rich the whole time. You're crying in that corner. Like, oh, this coach is so mean to me. All he does is he throws a bunch of money at me. Stop it.
You know, I got to admit, being in this group and seeing the success and the amount of money made and stuff like that, like it changes my attitude when I go outside. I'll meet people that are very successful, and I'm like, "Hey, how are you?" You know, rather than putting on my lipstick. You know,
yeah,
I see,
for
I see
sure.
my
Yeah.
best friend,
Yeah.
and we meet the same guy,
Yep.
owns billions and billions, whatever.
Yep.
He's putting on lipstick, ready to suck his, you know, is just ready to kiss his ass. And I'm just like, well, this is just a normal person, man.
Yep.
So it kind of changed my attitude being around successful people. It's kind of nice.
Yeah, I love it. That's why I said, when do you get to rub elbows with people that are, right, the most successful on planet Earth? I mean, it's you just can't. Not in a normal job. I've worked with billionaires before, so I've already been around this. That's probably why it's not like I don't get phased. I don't get like starstruck. Ugh. Right? I've already worked for Fortune 500 and Fortune 100 companies directly with these billionaires, so it's not even a thing. Even when I was a young, dumb, punk kid, right, working with billionaires, and they're asking me, well, what do we need to do? I got you, right? This little ghetto kid from Flint. I got you. Oh, I love it. And I think that's why it's never bothered me. It's never phased me. All right, now this is different. Does everybody see a pattern change? Yes? That's a collect.
Yes, Coach.
That's a collect, right? That's a pattern change. Now, that don't mean all the way out. We had it happen here. It tried it here, and now it's trying it here. Okay? But I want you to always pay attention to that. Now, to me, that is a great spot to short again. But I'll go in small, make sure it's legitimate, because it could push all the way up to that 21 before it decides to pull back. Because remember, once it breaks the 9, you can see before, it pushes up on that 21. So it could, right, pop through there, try to get to that major backbone 21 before it does it. So I'll go small here. If it stays below this 9, I'll hammer this, because that means it's not going to the 21. 9 is still resistance. Makes sense? A minute. A little bit more. Little dab will do you. Don't want to go too heavy here. This is still dancing the 9. And remember, this could pop to the 21. If it does, I don't want to be all heavy off this thing. And guess what I'm going to do at the 21? Because anybody got a brilliant idea what I'm going to do if it comes at the 21?
Short.
I'm going to short the shit out of it. I'm going to ride that donkey. There it goes. Boom, I'll take you for another $200. How you like that? How you like everything in you? It's going long. Coach is shorting it, makes money, and you're like, what the F just happened? Am I right?
Oh, you like me now?
That's right. Look at it. Bye-bye.
Coach,
Bye-bye.
coming up to a 1 hour resistance at 628.25.
Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now listen. If this is your first time here, I'm about to give you, now, first of all, who's still in this? I swear there's 320 people in the room. Everybody in this room should be like, Coach, I'm rich. I'm making money. This is the greatest day I've ever had. Thank you for yelling at me constantly and beating me up inside of the room and making me cry in a fetal position. Right? Who? Open your mics. Tell the whole world now. Open your mics. The whole room. The whole room.
Thank you, Coach.
You're in it though, right? Everybody's in it, right?
Let's go, Coach.
Know your coach.
All day, every day.
Come on. Let's go.
Full throttle.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you. Another $1 million plus day.
49% of my total account.
Oh my
Go,
God.
baby, go.
Did you hear that? 49% of the total account for the day. Woo! Still going. Now listen, yesterday, everybody made $1 million up. Today, everybody makes $1 million down. Right?
Where do we learn that?
How nice is that, though? It's freaking amazing, right? I'm telling you, this is one of the easiest ever. Now, trading is not easy. Coach said it's easy. Shut the hell up. That never came out of my mouth. This is one of the easiest days ever to trade. If you're like, well, I don't know what to do. I have yelled it. I cannot yell at you anymore without getting banned from all the systems, without everybody leaving crying. Oh, I can't tell you anymore what you should be doing here. I don't know what to tell you if you're still sitting on your ass, staring and blinking into outer space. What are you doing? I've told you 100 times. I've yelled it from the rooftops. I had smoke signals that showed you the way. I had a plane go overhead, had a little flag behind it. It told you what to do. While you were looking up at the sky, there was an eagle that said, do this. And you guys are all still sitting there. Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Are you kidding me right now? Are you absolutely serious with me right now? Are you joking? Huh? Are we sharing a moment? Are we sharing an intimate moment together, you and I? All 1,000 people in the room.
Coach, you have lost it.
Are we
You're out of
sharing
your
an
mind.
intimate moment here right now? Is that what's happening? Huh?
Ooh, look at that.
Come on. Oh, one of my members is up $83,680 off of a $700 account. He started in October, has not had a red day since, over $8 million. Who is still in this trade? Who?
I am.
It touched 204% and then backed off.
Oh my gosh. Wellness Wave 02 on TikTok says, I've so far made $10,000 shorting SPY all day. Thank you, coach. You're the greatest American hero. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hold your applause. Everybody, just everybody. Okay. All right. Fine. Get it out of your system. Get it out of your system. Thank you. I was trying to tell everybody, hold off. You'd be all right. Oh, $118,600 now. Everybody be cool. Everybody be cool. We're only making 6 and 7 figures here today. Okay. Appreciate you. Who's still in this trade? It's the greatest trade you've ever been in. It's the most amount of money you've ever seen. It's the best thing that's ever happened to you. And now you're going to go tell all your freaking neighbors, your friends, your church groups, your knitting committees, your auto car clubs, your bingo parlor, your barber shop. You're going to go tell them about American dream trading. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Every day, coach.
Thank you. Sorry, having a little bit of fun today in case you can't tell. Just trying to get you guys here, trying to keep you engaged. And it's like pulling fucking teeth, by the way. Come on. Come. You must match my energy. You must match my energy. You guys want a Red Bull? Do you like Red Bull? Does anybody want a Red Bull? Anybody?
I'm Googling the nearest bingo.
I like
parlor.
Red Bull.
You're trying to find your nearest bingo parlor.
Yeah, that sounds kind of fun.
Yeah. Come on now. Oh, pull back off the 9. I missed it. I'll take a little bit. I'll take a little taste. That's nice. Who is still in this trade? Who's making more money than you've ever seen?
627 next support.
Who's making money? I told you if that broke that key level, has a monster way to go. Told you this thing's going to crash and burn. Remember we joked around. I said hell doesn't have a basement. We're going to go under that. Didn't I say that? Yes or no?
Yes.
We are under Hell's basement, right? We are under Hell's basement. We've gone so low that we're back now to be able to get a cold brew.
Approaching the septic tank.
Yeah, it's getting cold down there now, right? Like we've gone through, right, all the molten lava shit, and now we're starting to get to the cold area, right?
Cold as a wilderness.
That's what I was just going to say. Thank you. Appreciate you. Everybody's still printing the dollar bills, y'all. If this is your first time watching, like, what is going on? I'll tell you what's going on. The group is making more money. I don't want to say they ever have because we do the shit all the time, but the group is getting paid. This is not your little kid groups that you were accustomed to, right? That ain't happening, Chief. Oh,
My money don't jingle.
what in the world? Okay, one of my members is now up. This is awesome. 171,597 and 40 cents. Who would like to make $172,000 this morning? Anybody?
Oh, I don't want to pay taxes on that, Coach.
Right? Yeah, I'm the
What,
accountant.
he could get 173?
Yeah, my accountant.
We'll support.
Yeah, right. And we got a AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get over there right now. By the way, if you guys are watching, though, I'm telling you right now, don't be getting ideas of grandeur. This is not a casino. It's not. It will be very hard. Some of you will struggle like nobody's business. Some of you won't be able to listen to anything I say. Some of you will come in here and try to do your own thing and you'll get your asses handed to you. Some of you will quit before you become successful because you're a quitter. But some of you will stay the course and change your whole life for you, your family, their family, the next generation, the next generation, the next generation after that. That's it. It's up to you. Everybody in the room, you get to choose. That's the beauty of being a freaking adult. You get to choose. Are you going to work through the hard or are you going to be a little bitch and quit? Oh, he's so mean to me. Because I'm a real coach, right? I know what it's like. I've trained athletes my whole life. I've trained people in boardrooms, education committees, billionaires. I have trained everybody in all walks of life, and I know what the outcome is going to be. You will either stay and succeed or you will quit and fail. That's it. There's no in between. There's no fancy words and motivation, hype and all. That's it. You either got it in you or you don't. You're either a quitter or you're not. That's it. No ifs, ands, or buts, baby.
That's pretty much it in a nutshell.
Yep, there is no way around it. So you get to choose. That's what's nice, though, about being an adult, right? You get to make that choice. Nobody's making that choice for you. You get to choose to be successful or not. You can either stay the course, do the work, and eventually succeed, or you can just quit. Choose right now. There's no alternative. You don't have any other choice. Do you love your 9-to-5 job so much that you just don't give a shit about this? Then what are you paying for this training for? If your 9-to-5 job is going to give you so much money and respect, right, and sets your family up for life, even though you've worked that shitty ass job for 5, 10, 15, 20, 40 years, if it's so great, then why are you here? If what you're doing outside of this room is so great, why are you here? It's not so great now, is it? Now that you're thinking about it, you're like, well, yeah, it is bullshit. Look at this. First time popping the 9 here. See if this can make this run. Now, I tried to short the 9. Now we're going to see if it's going to move to the 21 or not. If it comes back below the 9, I'll short it again. Otherwise, now I'm waiting for the move up to the 21. Notice the change. But everybody in the room, if you loved your job so much, why are you here? If you're watching me on TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, Kick, Rumble, Tumble, MySpace, Instagram, if you're watching me around the world, if your jobs were so great, you wouldn't be watching this, would you? Good. I'll see you over at AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up right now. Love your faces. Who made money today? Tell me now.
Yes, sir.
78% total account.
Oh, my God.
I did, Coach.
Oof.
I did, Coach. Sir.
Thank you.
22%.
Thank
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Come on. There's got to be more.
Coach, man. Thank you.
Thank you. I've been trying to hold your hands through this trade, right?
I did.
Thank you. Been trying to hold your hands through this trade, right? Detriment of myself, by the way, when I do that, because I'm not trading it. I'll just dabble in there, right? I made another $300 in under 2 seconds. I'll dabble, but I'm making sure my job is to make sure you get to where you need to be. It's not my trading. Who gives a shit about mine? It's about you. That is the difference in here. Notice it's not a bunch of dead air where you're staring at somebody, waiting for the trade for 12 hours, telling you nothing, working with you, not at all, not answering anything, just staring. That's my competition, by the way. They just sit there. Huh? Why are you guys watching that? Why are you doing that? Why? They should have no viewers. Why are you doing that? I don't understand. By the way, one of my members just posted me over here. Right now, they are at $1.3 million so far this morning. $1.3 million profits today. What are you doing today to make yourselves better? Get over
That's
there.
awesome.
Get over there. I've got membership starting at free. Wait, how much was that? That sounds like a lot. Free. What the shit? Get the stuff out of your ears. Free. American
What the
Dream
shit?
Trading. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get over there. Do it. Do it now. Right now. Oh, this is respecting this 9 again. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Like fucking Christmas. Gang, do it. Do the work. Stay the course. Appreciate you. Watch for this to see if this is going to pop this 21 or not. If you guys see this start to, if it breaks and holds above the 21, look for the boot. Okay, because I will not be in this room. Watch for the boot at that point. Yes. Okay, that 21 is going to be your end all be all. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. 21 is going to be everything. You're going to start, you will see a boot form. If it breaks and holds at 21, you are going to get a pop in volume. It might be a fake out candle where it'll go, everybody's like, oh, I knew it. And then it'll go, so don't do that either. Start to pay attention. All right. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you guys are interested, go to the promos. Again, though, if you want to get signed up with David, I would do it now. That is a full mentorship with David, one of the best trainers / traders in the world. You can work with him for a full year, a full freaking year, 2 1.5 hour training sessions per month for 12 months, 5K today. After that, it will be 10K for that. 5K today. We have limited seats. Obviously, he can't work 800 hours a week. We have limited seats. Get it now while you can. Everybody else, go sign up. VIP. Diamonds are 10K now. They're not 5K anymore. If you want a diamond, it's still the same price as if you bought a VIP Gold Complete. You can get all the memberships. 10K today. Get over there. Get signed up. Love your faces. Watch for this 21. If this pops, hammer that thing. Just watch for the fake breakouts. It's got to be a break and what? And
Hold.
thank you.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Jeffrey, Mount Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Oh, nice. Yes. Thank you. Watch for this fake breakout. Okay. If it cannot break and hold up here, watch for a fake breakout. Lights out. Everybody be cool. Love your faces. I appreciate everybody being here. I might pop in a little bit later. Maybe I'll join Mark over in the futures and we'll hang out. I don't know yet. I have no idea. Tomorrow we're meeting with the biggest marketing firm on the face of the planet. And I am excited to announce that American Dream Trading will be everywhere. So you don't have to stare at these little kids anymore with no experience, not showing you anything. Instead of watching this all day long, you will get actual training. I'm out. Love your faces. See ya.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
Thank you, Coach. Have a good one.